This is the Valentine's Day Watermelon Niacinamide Skincare Set, presented in a red heart-shaped gift box that's ready to give. It's a fun and thoughtful skincare gift designed for teens, girls, or anyone who enjoys a cute self-care moment. Inside the set, you get a mix of skincare essentials, including a serum, face masks, eye masks, and lip masks. Everything is themed around a refreshing watermelon style, which gives it a playful and giftable feel. The products are formulated with niacinamide, a popular skincare ingredient often used to support a smoother, more balanced-looking complexion as part of a regular routine. The masks are easy to use and feel relaxing, making them great for at-home spa nights or quick self-care breaks. I like that this set offers variety. You can mix and match depending on the day, whether it's focusing on the face, under eyes, or lips. The packaging makes it especially suitable for Valentine's Day, but it also works well for birthdays or small surprises. If you're looking for a charming skincare gift with a fun presentation and everyday use products, this Watermelon Niacinamide Skincare Set is a sweet and easy option for Valentine's Day, or anytime you want to give something special.